Good morning, dear students of St. Mary's Convent School, Mariam Nagar. Class 2, Subject Conversation. Conversation is an oral subject. The name of your conversation book is Gentle Conversation. Today I am going to explain you chapter number 6, Vegetables and Fruits. Do you know what are vegetables? They are the part of plants that are consumed by humans or animals as food. Few examples of vegetables are onion, carrot, radish, tomato, etc. Now fruits. The sweet product of tree or plant that contains seed and can be eaten as food are called fruits. Example of fruits are grapes, banana, mango, apple, etc. So, the name of our chapter is Vegetables and Fruits. This is a conversation about vegetables and fruits. In this chapter, there is a conversation about vegetables and fruits. So let's start. Nitin, Mr. Cook. Students, in this chapter, there is a conversation going on between a boy named Nitin, and Mr. Cook. Mr. Cook. So Nitin says, Mr. Cook, what are you making? Students, do you know who is a cook? Cook is a profession of an individual who prepares food for the consumption in the food industry. So Nitin says, Mr. Cook, what are you making? Nitin asked the cook, what is he making? Mr. Cook replied, I am making tomato soup. Mr. Cook says he is making tomato soup. Tomato soup is a soup made with tomatoes. Next, Nitin. What is tomato soup prepared from? Now Nitin asks, what is tomato soup prepared from? Mr. Cook replied, tomato soup is prepared from tomatoes. Nitin, can you make chips too? Now Nitin asked the cook, can he make chips too? Mr. Cook replied, yes, I can make many dishes and snacks too. Do you know what are snacks? It is a small amount of food eaten between meals. For example, potato fries. So, the cook can make many dishes and snacks too. Now Nitin again asks, do you know how to make bhaji? Students, do you know what is bhaji? It is a small flat cake or balls of vegetables fried in batter is known as bhaji. Mr. Cook replied, yes, I do. He can make bhaji too. Nitin, can we eat carrots raw? Now Nitin wants to know, can we eat carrot raw? Raw means not cooked. Mr. Cook replied, yes, we can. Carrots are very good for eyes. Now, Cook says we can eat carrots raw as they are very good for our eyes. Nitin, is that why rabbits eat carrots? Now, Nitin wants to know, as carrots are raw food, so that's why rabbit eats them. Mr. Cook replied, maybe. Now, Nitin, which other vegetables we can eat raw? Now he is more curious to know about the vegetables that we can eat raw. Mr. Cook replied, we can eat radish, tomato, cabbage, peas, onion, etc. raw. So these are the vegetables that we can eat raw or not cooked, you can say. Nitin, why do we eat vegetables? Now Nitin wants to know, why do we eat vegetables? Mr. Cook replied, we eat vegetables because they are good for our health. Now Cook says vegetables are very good for our health. They make us strong. That's why we should eat vegetables. Now come to next page. Nitin, what about fruits? Are they also good for our health? Now Nitin is more curious about fruits. He asked whether they are good for our health or not. Mr. Cook replied, of course they are. Fruits are also good for our health. Can you name some fruits? Now Cook asked Nitin, can you name some fruits? Nitin replied, yes. Apple, banana, watermelon, mango, grapes, papaya. Nitin named these fruits. Here you can see a picture of apple, mango, watermelon, pineapple, banana, grapes. After that, Mr. Cook says, excellent. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. This, students, an apple a day keeps the doctor away is a common English language proverb. After that, the banana makes our bones strong. The cook says, banana makes our bones strong. The papaya is good for our eyes and digestion. Do you know the meaning of digestion? It is the process of digesting food. So papaya is good for our eyes as well as digestion. Grapes and watermelon provide glucose to our body. Glucose, the meaning of glucose is, it is an important energy source and is a component of many carbohydrates. So grapes and watermelon provides glucose to our body. Now Mr. Cook asked Nitin, do you eat fruits daily? Nitin replied, yes, I eat fruits every day for breakfast. Nitin says he eats fruits in his breakfast. Mr. Cook, that's very good. Nitin, do we make dishes from fruits too? Now he asked, can we make dishes from fruits or not? Mr. Cook replied, yes, we can make fruit chaat and custard with fruits. Fruit chaat, you all know, and the meaning of custard is, it is a dessert made with milk and eggs. So we can make fruit chaat as well as custard with the help of fruits. Next, Nitin, I love fruit chaat. Nitin loves fruit chaat. Next, Mr. Cook, me too. Do you know which fruit is the king of fruits? Now Mr. Cook asks Nitin, which fruit is the king of fruits? Nitin replied, yes, the mango is called the king of fruits. Now Nitin knows the answer and says mango is called the king of fruits. Mr. Cook replied, correct. Do you like mango shake? Students, what is a mango shake? It is a cool and tempting fruit drink prepared by simply blending ripe mango pieces, milk and sugar. So Mr. Cook asked Nitin whether he likes mango shake or not. Now turn over your page. Nitin, I love mango shake. When are mangoes available? Now Nitin likes mango shake and he asks, when are mangoes available? Mr. Cook says mangoes are available in summer. Students, summer is the warmest season of the year and in summers only we can have mangoes. Now Nitin asks, which other fruits are available in summer? What other fruits we can have in summer? Mr. Cook says watermelon, lychees, berries, pears, pineapples, guavas, papayas, etc. are available in summer. We can have these fruits only in summer. Nitin, which fruit are mostly available in winter? Winter is the coldest season of the year. So Nitin asked which fruits are available in winter. Mr. Cook replied oranges, pomegranates, apples, etc. are available in winter. These fruits we can have in winters. Nitin, I am very hungry. Hungry means feeling the need for food. Now Nitin says he is feeling very hungry. Mr. Cook, can I have some tomato soup please? Nitin asks Mr. Cook, can he have some tomato soup that he is preparing? Mr. Cook replied, "Sure, here is yours." Mr. Cook says yes and he offers him tomato soup. So, students, this was all there in chapter number 6. Now, you are supposed to read this chapter on your own. Thank you.